Hello everyone, in front of me is XIAOMI Smart Cooking Robot, and let me show you how to add personal mode. So once you're on your home screen, select Modes, then under Custom Mode tap on plus icon, and here enter name of your mode, then select step 1. So just configure it however you like, select time, temperature, and if you want, you can also customize turn clockwise over here. To add another step, just tap on plus icon and provide it here. To remove some step, just tap on bin icon, and once everything is set, just tap on confirmation mark. Okay, so let me just provide it here, confirmation mark. Okay, so here we need to also set clockwise, and now it is saved. So once you're looking for it, just open modes, and here under custom you've got your mode, and tap on start to use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.